double cheeseburger, but I don't think they have that.
I'll take a big tasty.
It's good.
Chelsea is amazing. She's 23.
Yeah.
22 or something.
21.
Oh, never mind. She's 21.
Yeah, I'll take a big
She
tasty
graduated
with
what?
that.
Ready?
02?
Because I got you up on a board and I got other customers.
Well, we gave you our order.
We already gave you the order.
I'm trying to go as fast as I can,
We
okay?
gave you the order a while ago.
Well, you were sitting outside
Well, we gave
the
you.
Sitting
about 10 minutes.
because they were in front of us. I'm a very nice person, and you're not being very polite right now. I don't think Ronald McDonald will be very happy. Those
I
boys
don't care
need.
about Ronald McDonald.
Why is
They
he
don't
looking
pay
at
me enough.
me? I know, and I apologize, and I understand you're in a stressful situation.
Yo, this cat can't even read. He just punched the wall. Yeah, dude. He said, I'm not the one who's, he was like, I'm not the one who's drunk. Who's drunk? You guys are drunk?
I'm not
Clear your
drunk.
window up. Sorry, bye, boys.
You guys are all drunk?
No, we're not drunk. They're not drunk.
Okay, so now you want a big and tasty, right? Or no, a double quarter.
Double quarter pounder.
You graduated from
I
third
don't think I
fucking
have that.
grade.
You gotta check whatever closest to that.
Where'd he
That's all
go?
I just a burger. I don't need
With
anything
cheese?
else.